Motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone of any computer. It serves as the central platform that connects all components together and organizes communication between them. It contains sockets for installing the processor, slots for RAM, and ports for expansion cards such as the graphics card, in addition to controllers for storage and input-output unit. The design of the motherboard determines the type and capacity of components compatible with the system, making it a decisive factor in performance. Although it's not the most expensive part, its role is vital, acting as the nervous system of the computer that controls the flow of data and power efficiently. Processor. The processor is the brain of the computer. It executes millions of calculations and logical operations per second to process data and run programs. Acting as the heart of the system, it receives instructions from memory, analyzes them, and executes them at high speed, making it the main driver of the computer's performance and responsiveness. Despite its small size, its power lies in its precise design, which allows it to process data efficiently, from simple tasks like opening files to complex ones like gaming and video editing. Every operation on the computer passes through the CPU, making it the most influential component for the user experience. RAM. RAM is the temporary high-speed memory the computer uses to store active data needed by the processor for immediate access. Unlike hard drives, RAM is extremely fast at transferring data, enabling smooth multitasking without delays. It acts as the processor's workspace, temporarily storing the operating system, open programs, and files in use. The larger the RAM capacity, the more tasks the computer can handle simultaneously. However, it is volatile memory, meaning it loses all data once the system is powered off. Hard disk drive. The HDD is the main storage unit of a computer, responsible for permanently saving all your data, from the operating system and programs to personal files. It offers large storage capacity, making it ideal for holding vast amounts of data. It works using spinning disks and mechanical arms to read and write data, which makes it slower than modern storage like SSDs. Still, it remains an economical choice for storing files that don't require fast access. Solid-state drive. The SSD is a modern, high-speed storage device that uses flash memory instead of spinning disk. This makes it tens of times faster than a traditional HDD. It delivers blazing fast system and application load times, operates silently, consumes less power, and is more durable since it has no moving parts. It can be used alone or alongside an HDD to balance speed and large storage capacity. Graphics card. The graphics card is a specialized processor designed to handle graphics rendering and display images on the screen quickly and accurately. It works like a digital artist, turning data into visuals for gaming, design, or movies. It is far faster than a CPU at handling graphical tasks and comes with dedicated memory for processing high-resolution images. GPUs can be integrated or dedicated. They are often the most expensive part of a computer, as stronger GPUs allow smoother and higher quality visuals. Power supply. The power supply is the computer's power station. It converts electrical current from the wall outlet into usable power for all components. Acting as a guardian, it regulates and distributes voltage precisely to the CPU, GPU, and other hardware while protecting them from power fluctuations. Its wattage depends on the system's needs. More powerful setups require stronger PSUs, directly affecting performance and component lifespan. Case. The case is the metal or plastic enclosure that houses and protects the computer's internal component. It comes in different sizes to accommodate various parts with proper airflow and external protection. Choosing the right case ensures easier installation and maintenance, better cooling, and contributes to the overall aesthetics of the computer. Cooling system. The cooling system protects critical components like the CPU and GPU from overheating, which can cause damage. There are two main types. Air cooling uses fans and heat sinks, affordable and effective. Liquid cooling, more efficient and quieter but more expensive. A proper cooling solution ensures stable performance and extends component lifespan. Network card. A computer capable of Wi-Fi connectivity contains a network card, allowing wireless access to the internet without Ethernet cables. Speeds vary depending on the technology used, and network cards can be built-in or installed later. Some modern cards support advanced standards such as Wi-Fi 6, providing faster speeds and more stable connections.